Budget HQ. Today we're going to make a little bit of a table. Something to stick out, free that space up a bit more for the little gas stove, that little thing as well. So got some 19mm clamps to go onto the gun rail, and I'm going to make a big extendable pole, a little one. So we'll head out the shed and start doing some fabricating. Rightio, marked out where these are going to go on here, so I could just screw them to the timber, but I want to make it nice and strong in case you do have to put some weight on it or push down chopping, that sort of stuff, chopping boards on it. So I'm going to put some bolts all the way through it. Like that, ready to go on the rope rail. I'll get suspenders and do these up tight, and then we'll work on the leg. Rightio, so they're all bolted up nice and tight. Happy with that. Now for a stand. I've got about 4,000 of these extendable poles laying around the place. So I need to make a mini one. It's going to be able to go under that and just counter for any holes, terrain that might be parked on. So with your main ones, I've still got the other bit there. You see you've got these little indents, one on each side. They're pressed in to hold this plastic bit in. A few. Get the grinder and just run a grind cut down along it so you can open it up and peel it right out. And when you do that, you'll get the end out of it. Again, it's just a solid bit of plastic with your steel spike in it. So that's out. Cut it down. Make sure when you do cut it down, you cut that one down a bit further than the overall length, just to leave room for that that bit of plastic to go back in the end there. So there we go. Need to get the drill and put it drilled together. Doesn't have to be an overly massive screw in it, it's just got to be enough to hold it. In. I've hit the shaft. Smaller screw. There's probably a good reason why they aren't screwed in to start with. Smaller screw. This is going to be fun. Alright. That was the first one, and then we got the next two there. Little 4G 10mm screw. Whenever you're in Bunnings, check out the what do you call it? The discount shelves, because normally you can get a whole pack of these for like 50 cents. Something like that. It's in there. sorted. Now I need to work out where we're going to put it on the table. And right in the middle, about there. Where's my pencil? That's not a pencil, but it'll do. I'm not left-handed, so worst cross ever. Oop, I just went into my shelf. It's a good thing that shelf is going to the bin. Bigger drill. I'll keep throwing it over there. Rightio, so let's do some hitting. That. Oh, weight test. Oh, water. No movement, nothing. Until you put too much weight on it. You always have that with those, they always slip. But yeah, nice little table. You just tuck it behind. Tuck it behind the kitchen, like that. One thing when I did measure this up, I made it so you just tuck in there like that. Ripper. Bit of scrap MDF I had, or Malmine. As I said, 4,000 poles laying around, and about 5 minutes drilling and cutting. Got some more table space.